Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if you are encounter a network error, please check your connection message in Wuthering Waves. It can be due to various network related issues. Here are some steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First step is to run the game as administrator. Running the game with administrative privileges can help bypass certain network restrictions. To do this, open up Epic Games, click on the three dot icon next to Wuthering Waves and select Manage. Select the folder icon to open up install location. In here you need to scroll down. Right click on the launcher.exe and select Properties. Select Compatibility tab and you just need to check mark Run this program as an administrator and select Apply and OK for save changes. The second step is to check Windows Defender Firewall. Your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking the game's network access. To check that, you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings. Select allow another app and select browse. In here you need to select the launcher.exe and select open. Select add. Wuthering Waves is already in the list of exceptions. After adding the game, you will be seeing this list, guys. You just need to check mark these both option, private and public. Both option check mark it and select OK to save changes. The third step is to change DNS server. Using a faster DNS server can sometimes reduce the network error. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. In here you need to select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS type 8844. After typing it, select OK to save changes and select close. Just close off here. The fourth step is to reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can resolve persistent network issues. To do this, go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes, and after getting reset done, you just need to restart your PC, guys. The fifth step is to check proxy and VPN settings. Ensure that proxy or VPN settings are not interfering with the game. To check that, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side, you just need to select network and internet. On right side, select proxy. Ensure that use a proxy server is turned off unless you need it for specific purposes. And then go back and select the VPN. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it and see if the issue persists. The sixth step is to perform a clean boot. A clean boot can help identify if background services are causing the issue. To do this, go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration. Click on open it. Select the services tab and select hide all Microsoft services. In my case, I enabled the NVIDIA services and VGC service and anti-cheat expert service. You need to disable unwanted services starting up in startup. After that, select startup tab and select open task manager. In here you need to disable everything, guys. Just right click on it and disable it. After disabling it, just close off here. Select apply and OK for save changes. You need to restart your PC, guys. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the network error. Please check your connection issue in Wuthering Waves and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.